Hello, 6th grade. Miss Tate is back, and here we are with Tate Time, Tuesday, February 7th. Please make sure your paper looks like mine, and it's on the side that says Tate Time. My expectations is that you're following along, and you're writing everything that Miss Tate is writing. So right now I'm going to start the day with an awesome smiley face. Please write that down so we can make sure you're following along. So, yesterday we had a problem, and today we have a new problem. Remember, problem solving is a 21st century skill, something that we need to do to be successful. We're going to break this problem down together, then you're going to practice one on your own. Let's begin. Mr. Thomas is obsessed with all the various Chick-fil-A sauces. Me too, man. He paid $5.68 for a 6-piece chicken tender meal and bought 7 different sauces for 45 cents each. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the chicken tenders and sauces? So, first things first, we're going to underline the question. This is our objective, this is our goal. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the chicken tenders and the sauces? So we got the tenders and the sauces. So we need to go back and check and look for both things. So right now we're going to go back into the problem and box the numbers and units. So I see this $5.68. What is that for? That's for our 6-piece chicken tender meal. This connects to the question because it says I need to know the price of my chicken tenders here. Then it says he's going to buy 7 different sauces. And Chick-fil-A knows that they can make a profit, meaning they can make some money if they charge for their sauces. So they charge 45 cents for each of those sauces. So in this problem, I went back and I hunted for the information that I need based on my question. The question's telling me I need chicken tenders and sauces. So I found the sauces, I found the cost, and I found my chicken tenders. Okay? Now we're going to draw a diagram or picture. Man, this problem is making me hungry. So, I'm going to draw my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are my tender meal. And then I'm going to draw 7 individual sauces. I know I have to bring these two things together because I want to know the cost of the tenders and the sauces. So this right here, I'm going to label it, is going to be $5.68. I got that because my problem says he paid $5.68 for the 6-piece chicken tender meal. These are a pinch more tricky. It's saying that he bought 7 for 45 cents each. Each means that every single one was 0.45. You guys can try to race and beat Miss Tate. I'm doing this so we really understand what's happening in this problem. So each of these sauces, maybe this is some BBQ, some honey mustard, some Chick-fil-A sauce, some Polynesian. That's all I know. Maybe you guys can think of some more. But all of those sauces are 45 cents each. That means that I see the number 45 7 times. So what I want to do is do 45 cents. Notice the decimal. We got to be careful with that. Times 7. Why multiplication? Because we have 7 of them, and they're each 45 cents. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30, 31. So these are the digits, 3, 1, 5. I need to think about where those numbers would be with the decimal. I know Mr. Thomas likes Chick-fil-A sauce, but he's probably not going to spend $315 on Chick-fil-A sauce. That's a little extreme. So we know that there's 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal here, so we're going to put 2 numbers behind the decimal here. That number should make sense because $3.15 is more reasonable for the cost of all those different sauces. Now, back to the question. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the chicken tenders and the sauces? So, I'm going to check that off because I did that. Now I'm going to solve. $5.68, that's for my tenders, plus $3.15 for my sauce. And now I'm going to add it up. I'm going to carefully look at my columns, starting in the hundredths, or the pennies place. 8 plus 5 is 13 hundredths. That means I have an extra dime. This is going to be 8 tenths, or 80 cents. 5 plus 3 is 8. So here we get that his total bill was $8.83. Check. Let me make sure I check my answer, because I want to take my time. So, starting at the beginning. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the chicken tenders and sauces? So we have chicken tenders, $5.68, boom, and we have 7 different sauces for 45 cents each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 45 cents each. That's multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 3. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30, 31. And then I put my decimal in the right place. I come over here and add very carefully in the hundredths, the tenths, and the ones place. 8 plus 5 is 13, 8, 8. I'm pretty feeling confident that my correct answer is $8.83. That number also makes sense. Checking your answer means that your number makes sense. That number makes sense because it would be really weird if you only spent 83 cents at Chick-fil-A, or if you spent $80 at Chick-fil-A. This tells me that our place value is in the right place. Now I'm very carefully going to go down to my variable and put in $8.83. There's my decimal, 8 whole dollars and 83 cents. B-E-A, beautiful. 8.83. Once you guys have this all copied down and are showing your work, I want you to take your paper, flip it over, and figure out how much money Ruben spent on some cards and stamps. What card? Knowledge is power, baby.